Assalamualaikum to Sir Isaac. Me and my team going to present about artificial neural network in electrical power company. First of all, let we introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Syakir bin Muhammad SABIL, and my partner is Muhammad NOORHAZIQ bin AHMAD GHAZI. Alright, we go start with the first topic. First is implementation of artificial neural network in electrical power company. First, electric power company need to track of power consumption of each of every customer so that they can manage to control the power supply to match the user demand. That is the first point for the implementation of artificial neural network in a power company. And then we can identify the time where the consumption is the least can help to determine the schedule for the maintenance so that it will not impact greatly on customer electrical energy usage. So that is the very most important if we use artificial neural network in electric power company. Alright, there is a benefit when we use artificial neural network. First of all, is the cost of operation and maintenance can be cut down. Second, to prevent the overload of usage. Third is to cut down of energy poverty. Fourth is to provide electricity at the lowest price possible while keeping the quality of service constant. And then next, improving the accuracy of the load forecast to make people more aware on how to save energy. And last but not least, give safe and stable electricity to end user, which is what the market want. So that is the benefit of having ANN as implementing it. All right. Suitable data for NN, which is we talk about input and the output of artificial neural network. All right. Electric power consumption is really based on the time, which is the time is the input. And then electric power company can predict which is time this power is used to do some quick maintenance in case something happen like damage part and so on. In addition of that, company can manage power supply for the time to avoid wastage, which is back to our benefit where we can give awareness for the electric power consumptions. Next, I will give to my partner to talk about the proposed neural network in architecture. So yeah, Haziq, you can start.
Alright, thank you, Muhammad Syakir. As Syakir said about the proposed neural network architecture, first is divide the day's time into 7 parts instead of 7 different times. Second, hidden layer can be any value, but 11 neurons are used for this network. Next is for the output. It is only a layer as it predicts the electric consumptions when the time of the day is keyed in. Last but not least, as you can see in this model, sigmoid activation function is used as there exists simple relationship between the value of the functions and the derivative value at any point. Okay, next slide. Next slide is about the Levenberg-Marquardt algorithm. The Levenberg-Marquardt algorithm is chosen as the training function because there will be a lot of data to look at since every household's energy use will be recorded, and then also the amount of power used at each time of the day needs also to be known. This will add the amount of data that needs to be computed. Last is most electrical power companies have enough money to pay for faster processing speeds and more memory, which is needed for the machine learning. Next. Alright, this slide is about the proposed performance function. This is the error histogram with 20 bins graph. The error histogram is the proposed performance function. The y-axis show the number of instances of the training, and then as you can see, the highest bar graph is representing the range of error that is the most instances get. And last but not least, using the error histogram make it easy to predict the range of error of the network that can get. Right. Thank you. That's all from us.